Okay, welcome everyone. So this is a quick review for the SENFER MT300. A lot of my viewers have asked me for this earphone. Why have I not done a review for it? Why do I not conclude on what I said a few months back? Because I kind of hyped this earphone. I literally said people should go out and buy it while it was still available. But now I have to retract that statement and apologize because I didn't extensively use this product before I started hyping or saying that people should go buy it. And this is the reason why I'm no longer recommending this product. This product doesn't really have any top tier sound that actually fits the price tag that it initially launched with, which is 165 US dollars. The bass on this is not good. The highs are not well extended to the point of being called a flagship. And this earphone now, it could be my unit, but I know this earphone has an EST problem with amplifiers. Now, I've heard from other reviewers that EST drivers, the poorly made ones, don't have good synergy with amplifiers. So what happens is that if I plug this earphone to even a small amp as a topping NX1 or even a regular BTR FiiO cable, sorry, FiiO DAC amp, what happens is that when it's playing any content, movies, music, and it comes to that high volume peak, maybe it's an action scene with guns and all that, it just goes into a static noise. Like it literally starts buzzing. It's almost like an electric current starts buzzing. It's almost like a fluorescent tube was lit on, and you're hearing that bzzz. That is pretty much what starts buzzing in the earphone, and it is horrible because many people paid for this earphone. It's discontinued now. That is why I don't feel bad about bashing it now, because it is already discontinued. It's really no longer available to be purchased. Even the link I will provide in the description, I don't think the store still has it, but you can check it to see if they still have it. But I wouldn't recommend you buy it. In terms of the sound overall, I'm not impressed. It is not what I expected it to be. It is absolutely bad. Um, it was slightly better in the treble extension than the KZEDX, and this is an $8 earphone. Look, for me to compare this to the KZEDX, that is $8. This is a $165 earphone. Leave the discounts that brought it down to about 70, 60, $80 that it became the price, but this is actually 160. In fact, the box is where I'm filming this in. This is the box. I like the box. The reason why I did not go for a refund, honestly, I wanted to go for a refund because of that buzz thing while I got it from the store that I got it from. But I realized, look, I like the packaging. Like you get a wonderful case. In fact, the case it comes with is the best case I've ever gotten with any IEM. Uh, period. And I like the cable. This is the cable. It comes with a wonderful 8-core copper cable. I really like the cable. The cable is wonderful. So I decided, you know what, I'm gonna keep the accessories. I know this is a trash product, but the accessories and the box that I really like, because this box can hold my other IEMs. It's pretty much like a box for IEMs. It has other compartments. I can take this out and put more IEMs by the side. So I see some benefits. So I'm like, okay, you know what? Let's just say that I paid for these accessories. Luckily, I got it for about, I think I paid about $72 for this earphone because of the discounts and all that. So it's not like I paid the initial release price tag. So I thought about it and I'm like, you know what? I can let it go for that. You understand? Since it's just that. But other than that, I highly do not recommend this product. So stay away from it. And I apologize to whoever hyping this product. And if you like this content, go ahead, subscribe to our channel, follow on social media. I'm going to see you guys next time.